I'm going to hike up Sagehen Hill. I've done this a couple times in years past. Last time I did it, it was about 2 feet of snow and quick little hike here in Harney County. And I just love doing this little hike. So here we go. And you gotta watch out for snakes and ticks, so be careful. Couple nice juniper trees keep you cool. Nice place to sit down. And on up the trail. So here we are basically at the summit of Sagehen Hill. And it's the Basin Range Country, and it's big and open, and gotta love it. I guess I'll head on back down and head on off to Burns. Well, I'm almost back to the trailhead, and God, what a great time. Short little hike, but oh, so much fun.
Yeah.